No destination is too difficult for the XUV700. The navigation system will find it for you. To activate navigation, select Fun on the infotainment screen. Use the touchscreen to scroll and click on navigation. You have three main options: destination, settings and report incident. Click on destination and enter the address in the search bar. You can type it on the on-screen keyboard or use voice command by clicking on the mic button. Select the best suited option displayed on the screen and click to start navigation. You can orient the map to the north or line the movement of the car upwards on the map by clicking the compass button. You can further customize the navigation experience through the settings menu, live traffic, route trip type, driver assist map display, voice language, display navigation on the phone. You can also report incidents directly from the touchscreen. Simply follow the prompts to report incidents and contribute to real-time traffic updates, helping others driving on the same road.